Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the Darche Relaxo chair. It is a lightweight quad folding camp chair, which is perfect for touring, camping, relaxing at the beach, or just kicking back while the kids are playing. So the chair has 4 different reclining settings, so you can be sitting upright while you're eating, and then you can lean all the way back and just switch off. So the chair is made from a padded soft mesh, giving you a bit of breathability for those hot days, making it nice and comfortable no matter where you pull up. You also get an expandable cup holder with this zipper here and a phone holder so that your essentials stay close by while you're busy relaxing. The Relaxo chair is lightweight at just 6.6 kilos with a weight limit of 130 kilos, and it folds up nice and compact so it's easy to transport, and it's included zip-up carry bag. And just like all Darche furniture, it's backed by their 2-year warranty. And so that is the Darche Relaxo chair. It's lightweight with reclinability, making it perfect for you to just sit back and enjoy the day.